This is a bad idea. Alright boys, getting into this video, riding the sled again. And this time I got some actual goggles, not ones that Tyler gave me when we were 10 years old. Got them Ronnie Mac Specials, boys. So my dad's warming up the sled right now. I went to go put the helmet and the gloves and the jacket on. And then we're gonna get to some riding, and I'm gonna wipe off the lens every couple of minutes just to make sure you guys can actually see this time.
Hey guys, gonna ask if you had it.
Yeah.
Nice.
It feels good?
It's a lot more fun in the snow.
I'm gonna go slow to pack down the trail, and then I'll have some more fun. I don't want to get it stuck.
Nice goggles.
Thanks! You should try them later.
Yeah, those are nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna clean up the snow blower.
Alright, have fun. Hey, your wood fell over. Oh boy. Love me some snow. So yeah. Hopefully you guys can see. Just gonna do that every once in a while. Oh dude, I was riding this thing the other night with like 2-3 inches of shitty snow. And that ain't nothing compared to this, man. I'll tell you what, this is awesome. Yes, this is my second time riding my dad's sled. The other one was on video, you guys saw that. Yeah, I was gonna record the other day, but there just wasn't any snow. It wasn't a good time. I kept hitting all the rocks and I was like, oh, this just doesn't feel good, boys. Oh, bro. That probably got some snow on you guys. Sorry about that. But man, this is fun. I love it right after it snows like this, you know? See all the snow on the trees, you know? Just beautiful. We'll take her down to the pit. I wonder if I can make it. I don't know if a sled would fit through there. It'd probably slide in a weird way. Hit a tree. It's not my sled. If it was my sled, I'd take it. But you know. Man, it really is nice out. Good riding weather. I can't believe I told my dad I'd take it easy. I already haven't been. That was a big old lie. I was ripping it up that hill. I gotta take it a little easier, break it down, boys. Much better. It's really nice. You want to ride it? All right. Yeah, this is nice though. Haven't ridden in some deep snow in a little bit. Hopefully I'm wiping it off good enough for you guys to see. Shoot, we'll take it down here. I don't know if you remember the last video. but I did not go the right way in this situation, and I fucking tore up this hill last time. So we're gonna beat it down a little bit, just so I don't ruin it again for everybody else. I tell you what, boys, you already know this, I'm sure, but snowmobiling a lot different than dirt biking. Oh, hello, snow tree. Be free. Oh, I tell you what though, boys, I already said it 4 times, but man, try a wheelie. Oh, my hand slipped off. Yeah, no wheelies. Big oofskis on the wheelies. I'd like to take her maybe down the trail that goes down to the river. Don't know how getting back up's gonna be. I mean, it's doable for sure. Obviously. Just gotta pack it down a little bit. Make sure it's ready to rip. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yeah, I wish my dad could ride with me, or I could ride with him, you know, because we have that other sled in the garage, but it just doesn't work right now, sadly. And we just haven't fixed it, you know. You guys know how it goes. Whoa, ho, ho, got a bit squirrely one ski. Got a little bit of air there. Here's the thing. Also, if I go down to the river, I don't know if I'm gonna turn around. If I try and go up the road, I don't know. Don't really want to get stuck, but we'll do it. I won't get stuck. Oh yeah, here we go, boys. We're going. Oh, boys! That ain't good. How am I gonna get out of this one? I guess I could attempt. Let me go walk over there and check that out. How's this look? Where it snapped. It's a fucking hole. Shit. Wow. I can't move this thing. This thing's too fucking big, of course. Fill this thing with some snow or something. Like, how deep is this? It's pretty deep. I think a sled will fit through there. I mean, it's either that or whip it around. This is a bad idea. I don't know why I did this. That's not gonna work. Fuck. All right. Oh, here we go. Here we go. And she's through, boys. Definitely not going back up that way. Holy shit. Huh. Wish me luck. My goggles are foggy. Fucking bitch. And I got it stuck. All right, boys. Fuck. Text my dad, I guess. Great. What a nice gentleman. Here's another cop. Both the cops waved. How nice. Not sure if this is recording, boys, but we're going. That's a big rock. That was a big rock. Sorry about that, boys. That was a big rock. All right, boys. We got it out down there. Let's get it out here. My dad's probably like, where the fuck is he? Because I texted him, told him I was stuck. He's probably out in the woods walking towards me right now. Hopefully he isn't. But at least we got up that hill. That was a bit of a doozy. I should have just kept the speed, man. But I was afraid of hitting the rack. There he is. There's my dad. Yeah, you thought I needed your help, Dad? I got it all by myself. I don't even know I texted you. Woo-wee. I gotta take a fucking break. That was a lot of work, boys. I'll be right back.